I'm going to show you how to lace your Air Jordan 11s. This is the best way to loose lace your Air Jordan 11s. Here is how your Air Jordan 11s will come, and here's what it's going to look like after. Let's get into this tutorial. We're going to start off by unlacing the Air Jordan 11. Now you have the laces undone. Loosen them up. Just loosen them up with your hands, by hands. Loosen these strings so that you can get your foot in there. Once you get your foot in there, it's a lot easier to go ahead and lace. So go ahead and loosen up these laces, and let's put these on feet. All right, now that they're on feet, here's what we're going to do. You have them all nice and loose, but these laces are way too long. So here's what you're gonna do. Lace them up all the way to the top. They're already at the second to last hole, so we're gonna go all the way to the top hole to complete this. Go ahead and take this one lace, and we're going to basically, I'm going to take the shoe off to show you guys, but you could do it while it's on your foot, or you could do it when it's off your foot. It's up to you, but it is a little bit easier to do when on feet. So go ahead and take the lace and put it right into the hole. Now, this is crucial. How far do you want it to go down? You don't want it to go all the way down, because then it'll hit the floor, your laces will get dirty. You want it to be a little bit, not too much. I like it usually around there, towards the top of the patent leather, just like that. Other side, let's go ahead and do the same thing. Once again, it is easier to do this on feet, and you'll have it good to go when you're wearing them, but for this video, I'm gonna do it off feet right now, and put it back on and show you guys. So, there you go, pull down to where you want it, just like that. Now, the laces are loose, just like this. You can go ahead and put your foot in there, and once you have your foot on, boom, in your feet, just like that, good to go. They're not going anywhere, laced nice and loose, just like that for your Jordan 11s. Nice and loose. And if you guys want to switch it up, instead of going all the way to the top, you can go to the second hole if you prefer. I like going to the top because it gives it more of a snug fit and still a little bit loose with the laces dangling towards the top of the patent leather. This is how I wear them. Very, very comfortable. You could slide them out, slide them in, and you're not going to have to really worry too much about the creasing on the back. You will get it a little bit still, but not as bad because they are nice and loose. In and out just like that. No problem. Take them off. Just like that. That's how I lace loose my Air Jordan 11s. I think this is the best way. The cleanest look, and definitely a go-to. So make sure you guys try it, and like I said, it is easier to lace them when they're on your feet, but if you want to go ahead and do it when they're off your feet, and then slide them on, just like that. That's how I lace my Air Jordan 11s. This is featuring the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude, the DMP Air Jordan 11s. Here is the Air Jordan 11 on feet with the loose lacing. I love the way it looks. It makes it look so good, the way it pops just like that with the shoestrings out just a little bit, slightly above the patent leather. I don't want it too low against the ground, and I just love the way this looks. It makes it so nice on feet. Very, very good, and they're comfortable, true to size. I just think this is a great go-to method to lace your Air Jordan 11s. What's awesome about wearing your Air Jordan 11s loose-laced like this, it will prevent and help prevent creasing. It's not going to prevent it completely, but it will reduce it a lot. On the toe box, on the patent leather, you will get less creasing, and on the back heels as well, because they are loose laced. Your feet are going to get in and out, slide nice and easily, not be too loose, but not too tight, and you're not going to have a problem creasing the back with the leather that is known to crease on the Air Jordan 11. If this video was helpful, please make sure you guys hit that thumbs up so more people know how to lace their Air Jordan 11s loosely. Smashing that like button really does help the channel grow and pushes this video out to more people. So please take a second, smash that like button if this video helped you guys, and make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. That's right, I'm giving away a pair of the Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes to one of you guys watching this video, my subscribers. All you guys need to do is smash that like button, hit that subscribe button right now, join the More family. Comment down below, let me know what size you need in the Jordan 11 Gratitudes, take a picture, take a screenshot, DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369, with proof that you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Good luck on the giveaway. The giveaway winner will be announced here on YouTube on release day of the Jordan 11 Gratitudes. And don't worry, I will be giving away more pairs of Gratitude 11s. So if you don't win this first giveaway, don't worry, you have more chances. Make sure you guys subscribe and let me know how you guys lace your Air Jordan 11s. Let me know what sneaker I should teach you guys how to lace next.